Kathy Overbeck, and I'm a second-year student at Charis Bible College in Houston. I lost my husband about 4 years ago, and I kind of felt like my life got snuffed out. The grieving process has been really hard. I mean, I've always been a joyful person, but I just felt really blah, and like there wasn't anything inside to give to anybody. I feel like my fire's getting lit again, and every day I just learn something, and I get so much more excited about God and how much He loves me. And I think the thing I've really learned is how much He loves everybody, whether they're saved or not. I think this year I'm finally getting what the teaching's been about. Every day I learn something new that helps me with my walk with the Lord, and I'm so excited about God. It's like I'm getting filled back up, and I feel like I have something to give now, and my joy's back. It changes your life. You need to come. I mean, probably the most life-changing thing you can ever do.